Good morning, children. How are you all? Good. Hope you are enjoying your time. So, welcome back to our English class, and today in this video we are going to read a very interesting poem, and the name of the poem is The Swing, from your English literature Sunbeams. So, children, tell me one thing. Had you ever been to a park? Alright, now think about of that park and just close your eyes and take a look of that park, what you have seen in that park. Many things, whatever the things are there. Plants, grass, and something interesting was there. What is that? Swings. Oh, very well. You all know that. Yes, there are many swings, slides, right? So, the poem has been written by R.L. Stevenson, recalling his childhood days where he used to swing and enjoy at the park. The poem begins with the speaker asking the listeners how much they like to swing up high in the air. They love it more than anything and think it is the best thing a child could speak and spend their time doing. R.L. Stevenson is explaining this poem how childish mind can swing as per its wish. No one can guarantee what this mind will think at any situation. Sometimes it will feel to fly, sometimes it will feel to walk on water, and sometimes it will feel to get disappear, right? Right, when we are a child. Yes, when we was a child, we used to do many things. Our childish mind can do anything. This mind is so volatile that it can wish anything at any time. Age doesn't matter in this, as mind can run on its wishes without watching clothes, faces and age. Poet catches this link cleverly and writes his words in the poem. He has explained each condition in his mind as it is. The poem turns to be somehow interesting to read again and again. So children, had you enjoyed this poem? So, when you were a child, you can do many things. You were involved in so many childish things, watching without fearing anything. So, thank you for watching this video. Have a great day, and yes, don't forget to ask questions.